Question number 33. A ring of area S is rotating in uniform magnetic field X. Initially, the magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of the figure. Okay, in magnetic field is going inside. Okay, the ring is rotated by 180 degrees. Oh, you are flipping this ring. Okay, about the axis in time t, what is the average induced EMF? Okay, so to understand average induced EMF, first what we'll do is first write down the value of phi here. Phi is given by B dot A, right? B dot A over here, where B is a vector, A is a vector. I hope everyone understands what is A is a vector. Why A is a vector? Because the vector of A is illustrated perpendicular to the plane. Okay, so initially the vector A is like this over here, and when you flip it to by 180 degrees, this vector A also gets flipped like this over here. Okay, so therefore when I say delta phi, though your value of B doesn't change, B comes out over here, and when I write this as A2 minus A1, okay, what will happen? A2 would be having a vector, let us say A2 and A1 magnitude wise it is one and the same, right? So therefore I can now write this as A in this direction minus, now A in the other direction is nothing but minus A in the opposite direction, right? So which, how do I put it across? Let us say if this is, let me give some numbers over here, that will be fine. Okay, let us say if this vector value is something like 3 units over here, I can say this is 3 times z cap, okay, or maybe 3 in this direction, okay, and this one would be 3 in the opposite direction, minus 3 here, right, opposite direction. So if you take the difference between these two, this will be 3 minus of minus 3, right? That's what you can write, or it becomes added up. So if I take this in terms of aerial vector, it becomes B into 2A, right? A minus of, I'll write it down if you want, B into A minus of minus A, which will be equal to B into A plus A, which will be equal to 2BA, right? And now EMF, induced EMF E is equal to delta phi divided by delta t. Now when did this aerial change happen? That is a direction change happen in a time t over here. Why? Because it was flipped only by 180 degrees. Thus delta phi can be written as 2BA and t is nothing but t. Now here I don't have a B here. Instead of B, it says magnetic field is X. So 2 times X into, what is area A? Area A is given by X S over here divided by T. So the answer should be 2XS by T, which is option T. Okay.